Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Before this video starts, we just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and give a big thank you to everyone who has supported us so far.
We're having a really good end of a year. We're seeing some growth and we're very excited for that.
So thank you, and we hope you enjoy this episode.
After being hidden away in one of the safest Caribbean harbors over the last 7 months, we're excited to finally be traveling again. We're on the west coast of Puerto Rico, and we're sailing east against the trade winds. Our strategy is to hop down the south coast in early morning hours before the wind fills in, then tuck away behind any of the numerous protected anchorages along the coast by midday. Our first trip is from Boqueron to Gilligans Island, some easy day sailing to help ease back into cruising. Today we are going to leave the west coast of Puerto Rico and we're headed for Gilligan's Island. There's also a small town by it called Guanaca. So we're going to head over to that anchorage and we may or may not stay for the week. There is one more good day of travel, so I don't know if, we haven't decided yet if we're going to continue on tomorrow or not. That's our plan for today. So it's going to be a nice calm day again. We keep picking these real calm weather windows to travel against the trade wind. Seems to be a good strategy, so we're going to keep it up. Fish in the whole Caribbean Sea.
So what'd you think about that trip, babe?
Made a really big rookie mistake on that one. Should have been here about an hour ago, maybe 2 hours ago, before all those waves kicked up. It was one of those mornings where it's just like flat calm when we woke up. We didn't put our mainsail up because it was so calm. It was like 1 knot of wind when we left this morning. But if we had put our mainsail up whenever we got here, the very end of this trip, we could have powered through all those damn waves. Hobby Harsa. That's the worst, man. That's the worst.
It's uncomfortable.
The boat does that wham and then side to side at the same time.
Almost lost the gas can.
Yeah, almost lost the gas can. So yeah, rookie mistake. Next time,
tie down the gas cans
and put the mainsail up, regardless how much wind there is.
I'm getting lazy.
Yeah, we were lazy. We had a late night last night. Might have had too many of these Merry Christmas Heinekens. Woke up this morning and just like kind of threw everything in the inside, turned the engine on and left.
All right, let's enjoy our anchor beer.
Cheers.
After enjoying a couple of anchor beers, 3 boats in the harbor met on shore at the local restaurant for some delicious empanadas. After an awesome meal with great company, we all head back to our boats to rest up for the next day. Pretty awesome anchorage. It's only us and one other boat here. I guess the other boat that was here last night left already. Super calm and just right outside the reef. It's like extremely rolly and extremely boisterous out there. So I think we're gonna chill here one more day and wait for everything to calm down and just enjoy the anchorage. We are absolutely loving Puerto Rico. This is one of the most beautiful places we've been. Super nice people, so much stuff to do outdoors if you're an outdoorsy person. Yeah. I would love to stay here for a while. I'm not sure how long we're gonna be able to stay in Puerto Rico. We have some things to attend to. We need to get to the USVIs, but we're definitely gonna enjoy it while we're here.
Yep, check this out. There's a little channel back here behind the beach that goes out into the anchorage. So we dinghied in, walked across to the beach, and here we go. A beautiful Caribbean beach all to ourselves. Who knew Puerto Rico was so beautiful? I guess it would be. Look, a school of fish right here. See that? Right there. That's cool. Saw the fish? There's a school of fish right there. Yeah. gotta go for a swim. All right, so here we go. So there's our boost pump doing its thing. So that's good. I actually have pressure up here. So that's the pump that supplies the high pressure pump with water. And it's actually pushing water, so that's really good. Okay, so let's turn the main pump on. And there we go, we're making water. Nice. There's our Seawater Pro, which was, in my opinion, a great investment given the low cost of the Seawater Pro. I mean, I'm having to maintain some things like the bearings and that little cheap booster pump. It seized up, that shouldn't have happened, but it did. But now I know, I just need to maintain it, and we're good to go. So, yeah, so we make our own water on board our boat. And the thing I like about this one is the components. If you got to fix it, you can go into a hardware store and buy the stuff. It's not proprietary. They didn't like custom make all the parts. Hardware store parts.
Home Depot.
Yeah, Home Depot. Like the membrane, it's a 20 gallon per hour membrane, and it's $165. It's made by Dow Chemicals. You can buy it off of Amazon. That's really good. So, yeah, really happy with the water maker. And yeah, we're gonna put some water in our tank today.
Finally.
Hell yeah. Some free water. Woo! So we've just run the water maker for 2 hours and we just put 40 gallons, well, just over 40 gallons of water in our tanks. So that's almost a week and a half worth of water. So run a water maker for 2 hours and you have water for a week and a half. Yeah. Can't complain about that, man. So now all I've got to do is go ahead and close all of this back up. Make sure that all the valves are in the proper position. I need to run some fresh water to flush all the salt water out of the water maker, which is very easily done. I just have to turn this timer on. It'll open itself up and it'll flush out the system with fresh water. And then, yeah, we're good to go.
So we came outside this morning and there's like 100 kayakers. They're all going to the beach back there. Kind of wish we had a kayak right now. Alright, so we're heading out once again. We're headed to Salinas today.
It actually should be a decent trip. So, and we have a different strategy this time. We're actually going to have our mainsail up like we're supposed to. Put pressure on the boat to where it doesn't
heal
roll
so
all
much.
over the place.
Yeah.
This is going to be an 8-hour trip, a long trip. We'll be able to fish the whole way. So, yeah.
What's your feelings on catching a fish?
I hope we catch a fish. I don't know. I put some new lures on the fishing poles last night. A smaller cedar plug, and I put a hook in the center of the cedar plug so if anything bites it, like we've been having happen, it'll get hooked. And then I've changed the colors on our squid lure. So I feel like we're going to catch fish.
We'll see how it works. That'll be awesome.
We need to get underway though, because we only have so much time.
Okay.
Alright, so we have about 37 miles to go from this point. So if we can maintain 5 knots, we can do that in 8 hours. Yeah, so we have 2 anchorages marked between here and Salinas. If the winds do kick up and get bad, we have places we can pull into. And then we'll just continue on tomorrow if we don't make it the whole way.
Merry Christmas,
everybody.
Everyone or everybody?
No matter. You pick.
Alright, just Merry Christmas. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! So before this video started, we just wanted to... damn it. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
So before the video starts, we just wanted to wish everyone a good holiday. A happy holiday? God damn it.
No, Merry Christmas. No happy holiday.
1, 2, 3. You deserve it. It was good.
How was that weird?
You deserve it.
Don't be mean, dude.
Let's do it again, but don't be weird.
Sheesh. It's early in the morning. I hadn't had any coffee yet.
Yeah, speaking of.
Sheesh.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Sorry. I couldn't help myself. Alright, whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
So before the video starts, we just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and give a big thank you to everyone who has supported us so far.
Yep.
We're starting to see the channel grow some, so we're having a lot of fun with that.
Yep.
And all the kind words people are leaving in the comments and on our social media really helps keep us motivated.
Yes, mucho bueno.
Yeah.
What? It just means really good. What's wrong with that?
That was finally good and you ruined it. Merry
Christmas, everybody. Say everybody, damn it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.